Have you ever wondered what keeps your phone, laptop, and home appliances seamlessly connected? The answer lies in wafer connectors. With the help of their miniaturized design and high-density contact structure, wafer connectors perfectly balance compact size with powerful performance, a key requirement for today's consumer electronics. But as precision components, how do wafer connectors maintain such stable and reliable performance? With over 2 decades of deep expertise in the connector industry, Greenconn ensures every wafer connector meets the highest standards, from structural design to precision manufacturing. Most Greenconn wafer connectors adopt an auto-latching design, enabling easy and accurate blind mating during assembly. In production, when terminal pitch distances shrink to below 0.5 mm, automated precision control becomes essential. Greenconn's precision manufacturing processes maintain tolerances within plus or minus 0.02 mm, ensuring dimensional stability and long-term reliability for every finished product. Miniaturized, high-density, and highly reliable, Greenconn wafer connectors empower every connection to be more stable, more efficient, and more secure.